Mágad the Ceann Minister, I'm glad you're here because I'm returning again to the Criminal Law Sexual Offences Act 2017. The Department and the Government were under statutory duty to have an independent review of that in 2020. We're 4 years later. We haven't carried out that review, and since then a decision has been made to depart from an independent review and have your data and research unit do that. I've serious reservations about that, but my question today relates to, are you on track now to have that completed in autumn, as the previous reply said? Will it be published, and can you give us a date? Thank you.
Thank you, Deputy. I appreciate this has gone on longer than anybody would like. We are on track to have this done by autumn. The report will be published obviously in time, but the reason that we had to then move it back to officials within the department is because of the changes that had to take place. The independent person who had been appointed wasn't finishing it. There was then a tender set out to look at potential other options, none of which were satisfactory, and so my department has taken it on to make sure that it's completed. But a huge body of the work had been done, but just to assure you that the work is still on track and it will be published, yes.